Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Smoking Jazz Barbecue. To my right is a man that I gotta give honor and praise to because he's the one who brought me to the YouTube world. This guy is one of the best barbecuers in Canada alone. And for that sake to say that, he has come all the way down to my house on the East Coast and in Delaware. Man, this guy is one of the best BBQ guys out there. So none other than Paul from Paul's Q is with me to celebrate Thanksgiving, guys. He's came all the way down. Was it about 11 hours?
Longer than it should have been.
Longer than it should have been. So I'm going to pass the mic to him so he can say a few things. He's coming back, guys. Just look forward to his video come soon. I don't know when it's going to be. I'm trying to influence just like me. Me and him are in a similar situation to we are always busy with work, life, and everything else, family. So you know how that goes, guys. But it's an honor to have him here at my house, and I get to host him for Thanksgiving. This is a treat in itself because, man, never thought that I would actually shake hands with this brother right here. He is my family, guys, and he is a guy that I look up to and always ask for advice in regards to barbecue. So, Paul's Q, if you haven't checked out that channel, go to his channel now. It is Paul's Q, guys. Make sure you check out that channel. But, Paul, please do the honors.
Thank you very much, Rico.
Yes, sir.
It's an honor being here. I'm privileged that you're accepting me into your home as a brother, and I appreciate it very much. I appreciate all of our viewers as well out there.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much for watching. Watch this guy. He knows what he's doing. He teaches me a thing or two. Don't kid yourself. But besides that, we're just having fun, and backyard barbecue's where it's at.
Yeah.
Everyone, just do your thing. Make it your own.
Yeah. And big shout out to one of the big fans that we have on both our channels, John Matley. You know, this is a treat to have, yes, Paul here. And I know that John Matley is one of the guys that's always commenting on our videos and always give us our praises in regards to our barbecue. But man, to have the dynamic duo right here, guys, is just an amazing treatment. So guys, stay tuned because today we're cooking some turkey for you and showing you how it's done on the Pitballs Pro Series 850. Man, it's going to be amazing. Matter of fact, let's take a little gander, guys. Take a look at that bird. This is what I'm talking about right here, guys. Wow, it's smelling amazing. What'd you say, Paul?
Nice color on that bird right now.
Yeah, got some nice color, man. We almost there. It's almost time to eat, guys, so stay tuned because let's take this journey to that video. And guys, always remember, we got some special things coming up in my channel. We got the ebook coming out, and we also got ways for you guys to become members. So please support us at Smoking Jazz Barbecue. I'm gonna link below the ways to give, and you guys can check us out and donate as much as you want, or as little as you want. Minimum $5 or more, guys. So however you want to do it, sponsor and support us any way possible. So guys, come on, let's take this journey to how to make this turkey juicy and delicious. So stay tuned for the next clip, guys. Power on. Open lid. Rolling smoke. Closed lid. Crank. Temperatures 300 degrees. Set temperature and wait for it to come up to temp. All right, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, we're up to 10. We're at 303 for the last 15 minutes. And let's take a look at our beautiful turkey. Oh, man. Take a look at that. And as you can see, I got a little pouch of leftover stuffing. And I just did it to raise up the turkey because it's lopsided on the right side. So I just want to make sure that the even heat of distribution and smoke is going to go through and penetrate smoothly, aerodynamically. So it's time to put this bird, yes sir, in here. All right, guys, so we're going to push this beautiful bird right here in the center in the middle so it can get an even distribution of heat and smoke. So each and every hour or 45 minutes, each and every single 45 minutes, I'm going to rotate this bird just to make sure to get an even coating of smoke and heat. And we're going to close the lid and let us do his magic. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's been exactly 1 hour. We're running at 303. It's a little chilly today. It's 49 degrees and windy. Let's take a look at our beautiful bird. Take a look at that. Wow. Oh yeah, baby. She's looking pretty good, guys. What I'm gonna do is flip her around so she can get an even coat on smoke and even heat all around. And we're gonna check back with her in about another hour or so. We're gonna temper to see where we are at. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is looking good. All right, guys. So we've been running about a good 2 hours at this point. Let's take a look at our bird. Man, that looks amazing. Look at the color on that, guys. So it's time to temper to see where we at. So let's do the weight meat first. And we're looking about 130, just about, almost at 130. Let's take a look at the dark meat. And as you can see, dark meat's gonna cook a little faster, so this is looking good, guys. We're almost there. What I'm gonna do is turn this bird around and get some more even cooking. And we're looking for a temperature of about 160 to 162. And I'm gonna pull it and then let it rest for about good 20 minutes to half an hour. Alright guys, so it's time for the best part of the video, which is the taste test. And once again, I got my brother from another mother, Paul, from Paul's Q, one of the best barbecuers from Canada, that's here with me at my house to help me taste test this beautiful bird that we did for Thanksgiving. So let's do a quick recap of what we did so far, guys. We took the turkey and we let it thaw it out. We took the innards out, and then all we did was clean it and make sure it's nice and clean. And then we infused it with some beautiful injections of Tony's. Man, this injection, this marinade is going to do wonders in your turkey. You don't have to brine your turkey. This is going to be amazing in itself. Then we definitely hit it with a beautiful barbecue rub. We did it with the smoke competition and the whiskey hardwood, which is that smoke infused fruit wood. And this is a beautiful blend of a marriage combination right here, because this bird is going to be amazing. So enough talking. It's time for the taste test, and it's time to carve this up. So let's cut it up real quick and get a slice. Take a look at the breast. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. Look at that. Wow. And all we're gonna do is cut it right here, and we're about to taste test. Alright guys, so again, this is the best part of the video. We got, you know, two different taste testers. So first thing first, I'm gonna let the queen of the house eat first, and let's see how it tastes.
Okay, come on. Hurry up, eat first so we can eat.
Paul? It's moist.
Yeah, but taste it. I'm gonna eat.
Good?
Excellent job, brother.
My last part, so. Wow. This is really good.
Yeah.
You could definitely taste the seasonings, guys. You could definitely taste this marinade, Tony's. Definitely go get you this at your local warehouse or local supermarket, local grocery store. It's available to inject in anything as far as poultry or even beef. Or no, I'm sorry, even pork. So guys, this is a beautiful turkey that is ready to be eaten right now for Thanksgiving. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit that like button and make sure you hit that subscribe button as well. Again, big shout out to my brother from another mother, Paul from Paul's Q, that came to visit all the way from Canada. And this is, oh my God, it's an amazing treat to have him here in my house. And guys, don't forget to hit the support. First part of the bloopers, I dropped my mic, but don't forget to support the channel. I'm going to link below the ways you can support the channel, and there's going to be a membership available soon along with the ebook. So stay tuned for that, guys. But in the meantime, Merry Christmas, Happy Thanksgiving. Oh no, I'm sorry. Happy Thanksgiving, Merry Christmas, and whatever time you're watching this video, Happy Holidays. I know we're not supposed to say that, but regardless, Happy New Year's, whatever it is. So I'll see you in the next one.